Replacing a cracked screen on your Lenovo M10 tablet. Use a heat gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive around the screen. Heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, moving the tool evenly around the edges. Insert a thin pry tool or a spudger into the gap and slowly work your way around the screen to loosen the adhesive. Be gentle to avoid cracking the glass further or damaging internal components. The Lenovo Tab M10, 3rd Gen, is a versatile and budget-friendly 10.1-inch Android tablet designed for families and everyday entertainment. It features a full HD IPS display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixels, delivering vibrant visuals ideal for streaming, reading, and browsing. Powered by the Unisoc Tiger T610 octa-core processor and available with 3GB or 4GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance for daily tasks. Storage options include 32GB or 64GB, expandable via microSD card, providing ample space for apps and media. The tablet boasts dual stereo speakers enhanced with Dolby Atmos for immersive audio experiences. Running on Android 11, it comes equipped with Google Kids Space and Family Link, offering a safe and engaging environment for children. With an 8MP rear camera and a 5MP front camera, it supports clear video calls and photography. The 5100 mAh battery offers up to 10 hours of video playback, ensuring extended use without frequent charging. Its lightweight design, weighing approximately 460 g, and durable aluminum plastic chassis make it a portable and reliable companion for both adults and kids. Tips for success. Take photos as you go to remember how to reassemble. Be patient and gentle, tablet components are fragile. Work on a clean, static-free surface with good lighting. Thank you for watching Repairs to Go channel. Shout out to all my viewers, subscribers and specially to Board Vlogger. See you next time.